Honorable Speaker, consequently, the Right Honorable Speaker has directed the return of the attached process for your necessary action in Timino Kasedi and the judiciary no exercise finally Urban's man akin for Bagbin, it's in ruling by so we declare 14 vacant. Nana and San na Obabe declares it vacant. Nana majority leader Alexander Kwamena Afenyomakin and so atebri asemno ebe apapo pimu Supreme Court na Supreme Court and so at ruling it's by say Urban's man akin for Bagbin decision now what taking no there's one action assign for the seat in our declared vacant and one emirate now one ensign emirate one eduman Rebecca the last time our parliament passed it now and then yes NDC and said and now there's one ever respected Supreme Court ruling no out the by and still one and a majority leader because their Bagbin akano and one actually last sitting there abusia for afi one parliament cry there's a majority no SLP NDC minority now one occupy majority seats double ana enyasem kotoa until say Bagbin etimi ebai a otimika say yetimi suspend parliament Ewabra yentimi evu dapot ya parliament ebetimi assign abas na which is indefinitely na eno na ene yada sorry ya Urban's man akin for Bagbin etimi Writ no a Supreme Court serve no no osinya de so obeti ne na watimi etie ne kyerenti sanfa Writ no enkonko pie mu ewo Supreme Court na ono any decision no be by no and so say final na yemko ensem no ankasa no because Rebecca did na parliament etimi akwa the last sitting no ade say no etimi eba be to edwa say speaker so amane lawyers akwa kopi mu ewo Supreme Court there be say Supreme Court enti the lawyers no enti na bamba ben so no ede ne mra ehye ne nsem aye bedwuma na yemko ensem as the speaker of Parliament Urban Bagbin has reportedly rejected the writ of the Supreme Court directing him to reverse the declaration of 4 seats in the House vacant. A letter issued by a Deputy Clerk of Parliament, Ebenezer Ahuma Jetto, indicated that the Speaker has directed that the writ be sent back to the apex court of the land. The letter indicated that the writ left by the bailiff who attempted to serve the Speaker on Tuesday, October 15, 2024, was contrary to Article 117 of the 1992 Constitution of Ghana. I am directed by Right Honorable Urban's man Kingsford Bagbin, Speaker of Parliament, to return the attached process which were left at the Legal Service Office of the Parliamentary Service by 3 bailiffs of the court on Wednesday, 16th October 2024. Attempts were made to serve the same process on Tuesday, 15th October 2024. The Right Honorable Speaker noted that the attempted service is contrary to Article 117 of the 1992 Constitution and the circular issued by Her Ladyship Justice Sarah Pamela granting the Judicial Secretary and copied to the Honorable Lady Chief Justice with reference number XCR9 entitled Enforcement of Articles 117 and 118 of the Constitution. Immunity from service of processes and arrests dated 12 July 2024 addresses to all registrars of court. Part of the letter read. The letter concluded judiciary no exercising the power. Consequently, the Right Honorable Speaker has directed the return of the attached process for your necessary action in Timino Kasedi and the judiciary no exercising the power. Send the power into your better the idea of the party. Urban's man against for Bagbin says Supreme Court really no on the Dubai says seats Makoma form I declare vacant one Emrame one Edumano. Urban's man against for Bagbin so did a you dinner of no to say we really know on the buy no and a
remember when the NPP caucus in Parliament and a petition Opposition Speaker Alban Bagbin say on recall Parliament. Now it's a memo to the Right Honourable Speaker from the second Deputy Majority Chief Whip. It's dated 22nd October 2024. That's NRA. Subject near notice of meeting by request under Article 1123 and Order 53 of the Standing Orders. And the NPP caucus in Parliament would want to recall Parliament through the Speaker. Na akoye ba sisiano yensa aka memo officially from the second Deputy Majority Chief Whip to the Speaker of Parliament. And I will go through the memo for you. Namo nyinamo ho said enioma esi echo. And as I read no, so opese wo hu a over Facebook and YouTube Bengazi ma send memo no fato so na amanfo into me. And you can join us as we go through this memo. Almost a Right Honourable Speaker, respectfully on behalf of myself and the requisite number of members of Parliament from the Majority Caucus, I have the honor to address you on a matter of utmost national importance. In accordance with Article 1123 of the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana, 1992, and Standing Order 53 of the Parliament of Ghana, we hereby formally request a meeting of Parliament. The signatories of members making this request are here to attached. Now, then he moves on to legal basis for the request. To ensure clarity and emphasize the legal foundation of this request, we respectfully draw your attention to the following provisions presented in order of constitutional and procedural hierarchy. Article 1123 of the 1992 Constitution, which states, quote, notwithstanding any other provisions of this article, 15% of members of Parliament may request a meeting of Parliament, and the Speaker shall, within 7 days after the receipt of the request, summon Parliament. 2. Standing Order 53.1 reiterate, quote, despite any other provisions, 15% of the members of Parliament may request a meeting of Parliament, and the Speaker shall, within 7 days after the receipt of the request, summon Parliament. It would say the order in the Standing Orders, no, it taking inspiration from the article in the Constitution 1123. On my third point, that's the legal basis, no. Standing Order 53.2 further stipulates Parliament shall convene within 7 days after the issuance of the notice of summons. Okay, and Speaker no was 7 days. Or the Parliament. And say of Parliament and so the entire Parliament would have to convene within 7 days. After say issuance of a notice of summons, Speaker Amas notice of summons within 7 days was a Parliament issue. Number 4, Standing Order 57.3 provides, quote, the Speaker may summon a sitting of the House before the date or time to which the House has been adjourned, or at any date or time after the House has been adjourned sine die. Number 5, Standing Order 58.4 states, the Speaker shall summon Parliament within a period determined by the Speaker, and the requirement for a 14-day notice shall not apply where there is an emergency. Until a legal basis for wanting to recall Parliament, why do they want to recall Parliament? Urgent matters for consideration. We respectfully request that upon recall of the House, the following urgent government business be deliberated upon and transacted, including any other business that comes before the House. The urgent government business, number one, I'm saying request for tax exemptions for designated beneficiaries under the One District, One Factory program. Number two, Ghana Financial Stability Fund, an international development association facility of $250 million US. And number three, bills. No say Environmental Protection Agency Bill 2024, Social Protection Bill 2023, Customs Amendment Bill 2024, Budget Bill 2023, Ghana Boundary Commission Bill 2023, and an Interstate Succession Bill 2022. Then they move to the context and justification. As Mr. Speaker may recall, Parliament had adjourned Senate Day on Tuesday, 22nd October 2024, without any explanation to the circumstance leading to the adjournment. You may also recall that at conclave, you confirmed the service of a Supreme Court order, which was explicit. At the time, the above stated items had been advertised and scheduled to be carried. We wish to emphasize that this request is made in utmost good faith and in the national interest to enable the government to discharge its constitutional and democratic obligations to the people of Ghana. The matters outlined herein are of pressing importance and require the urgent attention of Parliament. In the request for action, also considering the constitutional and statutory provisions cited above, and in the exercise of our rights as members of Parliament, we respectfully urge you to summon Parliament for a meeting within the stipulated 7-day period. We stand ready to provide any additional information or clarification that may be required and look forward to your favorable consideration of this request. Respectfully submitted. And Sawoko Parliament, the second Deputy Majority Chief Whip, Honorable Alexander Jonoboa Tete, or NPP MP for the people of Seshi, Akontombra. Honorable Akwabe Kosi Sayensuni. Apomi there.
But when I'm not on the Mumbai, what to mean can be another body.
Okay. Now, Ubetma confirm my say one outro letter on behalf of the majority caucus to Parliament. A memo actually say Mopese or recall Parliament to attend to some urgent matters. One outro. Okay. I found this portion of the letter a bit curious. Say Speaker, Air Johnny Parliament Senate Day, wama any explanation to the circumstance leading to the adjournment. Is that you recall? So make a point, Mister.
Yes.
I didn't hear.
Mama first akunya with namin chair Utia, and one and our tree and a speaker, a fray and my parliament, and a man from more mine. Now, your buyer, no, there were then Mr. Brandon and Monano, and minority leader, a release statement, or ordinated 3-1, an audience statement, a blue speaker sends you one Yamabia. Now on feet as a speaker, but before then, now Haruna at the petition, a speaker, we order 99 a petitioner, the same panel media. The Haruna process, speaker and Nisu, now minority leader. And speaker at the audience statement, no man will make a comment on it. We are no rules there, for seats, I vacant. And your leader, the Supreme Court, Parliament, another speaker, you know what the credit seat, 4 years vacant. One stay on execution. Now, all members of Parliament, you perform, and may or Mojuma, open the determined assembly. And it is a buy-in. A concrete, speaker can say, and that can a Supreme Court order. Now, Obama be making statement, but before then, system no yeah majority side be kan kwatra be e wo no and this for no buy no about the jim kunwa no ne no mo kan kunwa na bom ya sorry ne the leadership you call concrete no speaker can say o be making a statement am I a leader can say na sabri ya ndi for na call occupy be ya tram dia no go capture leadership so na be ko we intervenye dede and o ya ne say and don't me account but on ban no make statement no be make statement is based on Supreme Court order and then the way Parliament and the and I don't think that this is an explanation as a speaker at the moment because by say baba be here juma nyama ye titi mo no masande dia pa ko manavia nti ubi za another
yeah but say what speaker and so here okay say mind you say after say mukoshia or conclave no more members of the majority no more parliament will be you left echo to now offices in the time a speaker able making a statement no na enyade amo and speaker made the point say as per members of parliament present no or more quorum to conduct business but no quorum to make decisions based on which or journey parliament synergy. It is a way near explanation enough. What else were you expecting him to say?
Yeah, Obi me am the terrace concrete no ya koyen on the mission me preamble me can say Anopana a boy 8 o'clock no ya ko chamber on ya majority chief with another bread and the deacon with chamber and I mean honorable Habib nyina akokotna baby majority side yetna no yekoye no na yekonya nan baby yetna ni nyina na wo pepe omon system bibia because oba parliament on the right side of the speaker no majority no and MPB or two bia no ayi ebo wo konya no ne wo table no wo sore na wo kasa big scheme nature within ne wo membership and the constituency representative no munyi yekotna on when this one buy no and on Omu leadership nkonya na wo front no e de ba be kan e de no ba beto na and omu members ni bi e ba ye nchem mo so na mo kontra ye side no because they majority yes no ye no on the speaker ababa be rule se mo na mo ye majority no ye nsore nko the leader ebe wura inside no here the way na na man siko no e no ye nze ye mpi on pegidi because of the ready and asem no the akokot the entrance speaker na or head of the institution now they can be video friend and a press conference by office and check for 10 minutes and no first leadership and a speaker can when ya Supreme Court order nobody make a statement on it and now your leader Alexander Magi Peter and said Sabe and this one occupy a prison. Yen to me corner no more gidi say and so no ya kwa kotna other side and kotna be bi omutia. The speaker my order say leadership no mo kwa mo katra members no bi an kotna be bi otie. Speaker an kan here say so one dey be making a statement. And na leader kan wo say and the basa na ye no yet me kotna other side no. Yen to me kotna be bi and this one so be occupy we ho no. Ti ye kwa offices no money rule ni wie. Na say chamber near transact government business and nuntina am I ever try your office and you know I don't know the day no say tell me your call and this one raise the quorum at the year and that more material moment no and yadia no mo take the major decision bia now we expect that speaker be cancel later now we receive Supreme Court state of execution no obe maintain na ka emra na eme one kind of no and I don't the day no you never be abanya juma de amano e pe niema ya list no and it na your request say yes I'm not parliament because constitution in my point saying any 15% I bet me are parliament but that is why I through my leadership on mama authority to do that
yeah but Sisiano said I mean based on someone's the requisite amount of signatories no and the number of signatories no mobetimi I'm a speaker I recall it parliament but when parliament comes back na said ye o leader catch you speaker no say ba say wa mama anko tena baby e wasa motena na enya ade a mo beba parliament aba be ye adwuma say mo baba na say still ade si ye san esibi wa e den na mo be
obiamo wadaroma miyiri say progress no
obiamo
Supreme Court
honorable me pacho obiamo ye colleague of parliament me dey di obi
sorry na me promote na da job MP obi pacho me Supreme Court